Hi, welcome to Excel solving channel. Last day I discussed about conditional formatting and highlight cell rules. Today I will discuss about top and bottom rules. At first I select this range. Then I am going on conditional formatting and top and bottom rules, and then top 10 items. If I select top 10 items, then this pop-up will come. In here, if I then click OK, just mean top 10 numbers will be highlighted. If you can see top 5 numbers will be highlighted, then go on conditional formatting, clear the rules, then again go on top 10 items and click in here 5. That means top 5 item will be highlighted. If I select in here 3, that means top 3 numbers will be highlighted. Then I am going on manage rules. Double click on here. I want to change the color, then go on format, fill color, and background will be green, and font I will select white. If click OK, then OK, apply, and again OK. Just means in here top 3 item will be selected and this at this color. Now I want to select bottom 3 numbers. Then select this range and go on conditional formatting, top and bottom rows, and going on bottom 10 items. Select bottom 10 items and click in here 3. Then go on this drop down and custom format, fill I select red, and font I select white, then OK. This means red color top 3 bottom numbers will be highlighted. If you like today's video, please comment and share this video, and if you want to more video, please stay with our channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you.